Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series. Futures are fantastic. There is no pattern day trading rule. So for you stock and option traders that have to deal with that annoyance of a rule, that rule does not exist in the world of futures, and you do not need a whole lot of money at all, which brings me to my next point of clarification. I am trading futures here through a prop firm. Now, what is a prop firm? How do prop firms work? I'm not going to go into all of that. If you do want to learn more about the one that I'm using and would recommend, and that'll just teach you the prop firm space, how they work, just go to that link that you see up on the screen there, or I'll put it down below the video also. But in a nutshell, prop firms allow you to put very little of your money on the line. You get big buying power, and then if you prove yourself as a trader, you can have a whole lot of upside potential. So that's kind of a prop firm in a nutshell there. If you want to learn more, just go to that link. So I will pause the video for now, and as soon as I find a potential opportunity, I will get things rolling again. So, yeah, like I said, I'll pause the screen recorder for the moment. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pick up a single contract here. Oh, I didn't want, whoops, I mean to throw that order out there. That's all right. So $20 on that one, even though it was technically a mistake. So we'll see if it wants to come back down. So I don't know, maybe that was a good thing I hopped out, but I did not mean to take out the profit right there. If it wants to come down here, I very well could be interested again. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna try for a quick little momentum scalp here. And there it is right there. So just a quick $60. And you can see that down there went from 20 to 80 very quickly. And that's why I wanted it to be very quick. Just chasing a little bit of a slice of the momentum. So because I was chasing, I needed to be extra aggressive. And that's why, look at it shoot right back up. All right, there's another little quick trade. All right, what I'm gonna do here is build a bit of a position just with micros. So I'd like more than one contract here, but well, nice move in my favor. Made $21 on only one micro. I wanted more than the one though. I can try again if it doesn't want to come back up. So I mean, a good problem. It went nicely in my favor. That was a good part. The bad part was, in hindsight, yeah, sure, I should have loaded up on way more. I should have played NQs, but that's hindsight speaking. And I don't know about you, but I'm a fantastic hindsight trader. But yeah, we'll see if it maybe wants to try, give me another opportunity. There we go. Okay, again, I'd like more than one. There we go. Took one out, and I'll put my stop up here for that final one, and I'll bring it down as the price goes down, assuming it goes down. So again, could still lose money on that second contract. We'll see if it wants to come down. It's only one, so I'm just going to hop out. So 49 on that one. All right, I'll pause. Now, one quick note, if you notice these are back to zero, that is because I am on a separate account. So the nice thing about prop firms is you can have multiple accounts and you can switch between them very easily. So that is what's going on here. I switched accounts, so that is why that is zero. And again, with the prop firm that I use, you can have up to 5 separate accounts. And then there's copy trading where you can, make one trade but copy it across the other ones. But I don't want to go too far down the rabbit hole. But yeah, there's a lot of flexibility with prop firms. But I know some people will notice, which is a good observation on your part. Hey, wait a second. Where'd those numbers go down there? again, good observation, but it's because I'm on a different account right now. All right, I will pause. All right, I'm gonna get short there. Again, I'd like more than one, but this will at least get me started. So got another one there. Took out one order. So there we go. Just some quick scalps with the micro. So 18 on that one. Wondering if I want to try again. Again, just doing micros here. Yes, in hindsight, should have done the NQ, but as I always say, your first foremost thought should be not how much money can I make, how can I make money? No, it's how can I manage risk? How should I best be managing risk in this situation? That is what matters most. Do I buy the breakout? It's hard because the stop, the risk profile on it's a bit much. It does present an interesting situation, that's for sure. All right, I will pause. All right. I'm in. No, I don't want to scalp. I did not want to scalp. Whoops. I was supposed to be off. All right, let's see if I can buy a pullback. Oh. Oh. Well, the thing is, whatever, you weren't watching that. And what? Well, no, you saw me draw the trend line, and just to add a little bit more credibility, and also maybe just show you those who are wondering, how does your chat room work? But right there, I had it. 2-minute key upside trend line into open. So that trend line was drawn there. And yeah, I didn't miss it, but I did the wrong order type. Forgot to change that off. And so I just, in other words, just did a quick scalp on it. But do I want to maybe fade this a little bit now? This move here seems a bit excessive. So got one short. There we go. Quick little scalp there. Definitely going to be aggressive on those because I'm very clearly going against the move here, but I like the chance of that working out. So I don't even know what I made on that one. 30, 40 bucks. Don't quote me. I don't remember where I was before that, but this number here is now at 205. Potentially faded again. In. Oh, that one. So now at 335. Very good. So it's a little over 15 minutes in. I'm up about 385 on this one, 18 on the other one. So we'll call it about $400 in 15-ish minutes. I don't say that to brag. I do say it, though, to build context. Not many places in the world where you can make $400 in 15 minutes. I know. If you've been corrupted by social media, you look at those results and be like, you're terrible. I saw so-and-so make way more. And for that person, fantastic. Good for them. But what I'm saying is you would never go up to somebody making 30 bucks, 40 bucks, 50 bucks an hour and say, you know, I made $400 in 15 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. You would never do that because you realize that would make you sound like a greedy savage and very detached from reality. So yes, I'm very happy with these gains, but we'll see if I can get a couple more trades. Can't believe it. Now, let me be very clear. I'm not saying I would have played this perfectly and I'd still be holding, but I would have liked to have thought I'd get a little bit more than the $60 that I got out of it. Unbelievable, but it is what it is. All right, I'll pause. Once again, I'm on a different account. That's why you have zeros down here. Looking to potentially buy a little bit of a pullback here. Does want to come down some more. So I want to see another push to the downside. Just starting small. All right, I'll pause. All right, there it's coming down. See if we can get a little bit more. All right, I'll pause. All right, we were right down in an interesting area here. Oh, in and out within seconds. So just a quick $6 on that one. I can look to try to buy again. Again, just I'm focused on risk right now. All right, I'll pause. All right, have an order. Wow. That was insane. It was an instant buy and sell. And I got even more than what I wanted because it should have just given me 6, but it gave me even more than that. Again, just playing on the risk controlled side, but that was funny. Like I said, literally got more than I even wanted because it went so fast in my favor and then back in my favor. You can scroll back, but that was at 6, and it should have just went back to 12, but I got that many more points, which was nice. All right, I'll pause. All right, maybe another trade here. Got one there. And out there for, I'd like more than one, but I'm also not going to take it. If it wants to give me a few points in my favor, I'm not going to turn those down. But maybe it wants to pull back some more. All right, I'll pause. All right, it's a little past 10. I'm going to call things good, just shy of 500 on the day. So not too bad, like I said, especially when you keep things in perspective. I would never complain to anybody making $50 an hour and go up to them and complain about making just shy of 500 in 30 minutes worth of time. I would never do that. I'm not a greedy savage, and I know you aren't either. Real quick before I go, though, I do want to personally invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I offer. So if you want to learn more about how I manage risk, build consistency, how I approach the markets, and how I would argue you should approach the market, a lot of people don't have the right framework, and then they lead themselves astray, or they end up wasting their time because, and to be fair to them, when you're new and you're just getting started and you don't know what you don't know, or maybe you're struggling and you're not quite sure why you might be struggling, well, there's going to be a lot of information in this webinar that can help you with those potential problems that you have, because unfortunately, partial knowledge, partial understanding is not good enough to find success in the world of trading. So check out the link in the description box, or just go to claytrader.com/live, and that will tell you when the next live class is. So definitely consider getting signed up for that. Like I said, totally free. And then also, if you want to learn more about the prop firm that I'm using, just go to claytrader.com/take profit. It is not me just saying it for the sake of saying it. Nope, it's the one that I am using, and the one that I've been really enjoying, and I'm confident you will too. So make sure you use that link so you can get the best deal possible. They are always running promotions, so to ensure you get the best promotion, make sure you use that link, because that'll keep, no matter when you're watching this video, even if it's 2 years from now, if you use that link, it'll make sure that you're getting the best deal possible at this moment in time. So as always, if you appreciate these live trade videos, hit that like button, and if you're looking to support the channel in a super free and easy way, if you could hit that subscribe button, it really does help out. So thanks for watching. Take care.